In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode on Grok Ai. If you spend a lot of time in Grok, switching to a darker theme can reduce eye strain, look great at night, and even save a little battery on OLED displays. I'll walk you through it clearly and quickly, and I'll share a few helpful tips along the way. First, open your preferred web browser and go to grok.com. Give the page a moment to load. If you're not already signed in, you may be prompted to log in before you can adjust your settings. That's normal. Once you're in, you'll land on the main interface. Now direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the screen. You should see a vertical sidebar there. This is where your account controls live. If your window is very narrow, the sidebar might be collapsed. Hover your mouse over it, or expand it so you can see the icons and labels. Look for your profile icon, usually a small avatar or your initials, right in that lower left area. Click your profile icon to open the account menu. A small menu will appear with several options. From here, choose Settings. This takes you to the page where you can personalize how Grok looks and behaves. If the page takes a second to load, that's okay. Just wait until you see the various categories. Inside Settings, find and select the section labeled Appearance. This section controls theme options and other visual preferences. Once you're in Appearance, you'll see choices like light and dark. Some users may also see a system or auto option, which follows your device's theme. For now, go ahead and click Dark. As soon as you select Dark, the interface should switch immediately. You'll notice darker backgrounds, softer contrast, and text optimized for low-light environments. Take a second to scan the page and make sure everything looks comfortable to you. If it doesn't change right away, try a quick page refresh, then return to Settings and Appearance to confirm Dark is selected. You can always switch back to light the same way if you prefer a brighter look during the day. And if you like your apps to follow your computer or phone schedule, keep an eye out for a system option in the same appearance area that will let Grok mirror your device's theme automatically without you needing to revisit settings. That's all there is to it. You went to grok.com, opened your profile menu in the bottom left sidebar, entered settings, selected appearance, and chose dark. Enjoy the more comfortable viewing experience and feel free to fine-tune other appearance options while you're there to make Grok feel just right for you.